this is the result of my chicken curry, and now let my husband judge it.
One is not enough. It's cold, it's soft.
Good morning and welcome back to Ate Anna's Nepal vlog. Today is November 26, Wednesday here in Nepal, and the month of November is going to bye-bye soon. So magiging Christmas na, December na talaga. Anyway, our vlog for today is about how to cook Nepali chicken curry. And this is my own version, guys. And I just wanna say thank you to my sasura, my father-in-law, who teach me in this recipe. And guys, I will show you what are the ingredients to make a Nepali chicken curry. There are 17 spices including tomato, garlic, onion. Yes, 17 spices lang naman. 17 ingredients ang kailangan natin to make or to cook the chicken Nepali or Nepali chicken curry. So guys,
3, 2, 1.
We have 1 kilo anina. Our ingredients is onion, piyaz, losun, which is garlic, which is tomato. We have also a Danya or parsley. We have a green chili. They called it Kursani. So for the powder, we need a garam masala, red dry chili powder, and turmeric. And we have also bay leaf, and Nepali people cook with peach butter. We have also cardamon or Alaichi. And we have cinnamon, cover or dalchini in Nepali terms. And this one is clove, lwang. And we have star anise. We have also black pepper and mustard seed, everybody call it Tori, ginger, Nepali term is Aduwa, and I have jeera, cumin, methi, and fenugreek. And this is all dry ingredients that I have to blend. So let's blend all the dry seeds like jeera. And while blending this one, all the dry seeds, we have to prepare the frying pan and turn on your flame in a low flame. So while blending, your frying pan is ready for frying. So it's over, and now let's open and let's see what it's look like. So after blending, it looks like this. So this is after you blend all the dry ingredients. When the pan is ready, saute the jeera, cumin, methi, fenugreek. Step 2, saute the all dry ingredients which we blend or grind. Take note, don't over saute because it will create a bitter taste. step 3, we have to put our chicken and saute. Continue to mix it. Now season with salt. It depends on your taste. Now after the salt, you have to mix it properly, and it's the time to put our turmeric powder. For 1.5 kilo, it's required 1 spoonful turmeric powder. After you mix the turmeric powder, cover for 4 minutes, and after 4 minutes you have to mix it again. Just mix like this, and it's the time to put our garlic chop. For me, my garlic and onion and tomato, I choose to put in the middle, so I don't want to get overcooked these 3 items. So, but it's an optional. You can also saute your garlic and onion in the starting of frying. So for me, I put the garlic, onion, tomato in the middle, and let it cover for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you have to put our bay leaf, and again mix it all and cover for 3 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, this is how the chicken look like, and you have to put the garam masala powder. Mix it. No need to add water because the chicken is automatically produce its water. It's on water this one, so no need to add water. And after the garam masala, you should put the chili powder, but it's an optional only. Chili powder and the green chili, fresh green chili. But I don't want to mix it right now because I wanted to get some separated chicken for my daughter. So let it be covered until the water gets dissolved. After 5 minutes, it's open it, and you have to see if the chicken is cooked already. So I think the chicken is already cooked because the water is dissolved already and it's getting soft. So I have to take out some chicken for my daughter before I will put the chili powder or the fresh green chili. For my daughter, I have to take out because I don't want her to eat chili. She will cry. So now it's the time to put the chili powder, but this is an optional only as what I told you earlier, and the green fresh chili. it's cover for 3 to 4 minutes. Now 4 minutes is already over. Let's open it. So this is the chicken fry. It's very yummy. I can smell. And if you are with me, guys, you can smell the good aroma from the whole spices. So now it's the time to put our danya. So that's it. After you put the danya, you have to mix like this, and you have to turn off the fire. And chicken curry is already cooked and ready to serve. And cover it. So this is the result of my chicken curry. And now let my judge husband judge it. Okay guys, the judge is here already, which is my husband. So I need to prepare my chicken, although I know already what he used to comment about my cooking, but this time I wanted to do a live to
Smell
let,
good food first.
to let you know guys what his reaction.
Okay. One is not enough. It's cooked, it's soft. I feel hungry.
You want some rice?
No, I ate already in the morning. I need to go to office now. It's super, it's delicious. This is delicious. This is really delicious. This is pure Nepali chicken curry. And I am very happy that you can cook more good than me.
You just know now. Okay guys, that's it for today, and I hope my husband and I give you another recipe from Nepal. So I hope you're gonna enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much.